Hi there, welcome to this learning series on Amazon Web Services or AWS or simply Amazon Cloud. We are going to learn all the AWS services and products and would also learn how we can deploy and develop a vast range of applications that includes IoT application, web application, Android application, or simply a storage device or data warehousing or complex ERP solutions. We can build a vast range of applications and we will learn here with practical demonstration and would create sample projects um, in each category. We will learn about each of the services or products one by one in depth. So let's start. So these are some of the vendors, most popular vendors, the General Electronics, Expedia, TCL, Ubisoft, Vodafone, Adobe, Samsung. These involve or employ the use of Amazon Web Services and rely on AWS Cloud. So AWS has evolved over a rapid pace of innovation from year 2006 or 6, 7, 8 with simple 24 applications or Amazon Elastic Cloud Compute or EC2 with Elastic Block Storage, and now it has evolved to a huge range of services and products in multiple categories like compute, database, analytics, IoT. Even it has a game engine. It has an AR and VR support, augmented reality and virtual reality support for innovation and development. There are various competitors in the market for AWS that includes IBM's Bluemix, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. But AWS is ranked first among all those cloud vendors in various terms. In terms of market capture, AWS has over 34% of the cloud share. It is simple to simple developers or basic developers, or it is very vast for complex or advanced developers. It has a very interactive environment and simple to deploy applications. So these are the services. These are various services that we can use to empower our application and create a huge range of applications. It has analytics, mobile development, app development, enterprise app, hybrid cloud management, management tools. It has a marketplace where we can develop and sell our code even to our fellow developers or any other developers. We can work in a team and host a DevOps process toolchain. Here we get a technical support from AWS, as well as AWS also provides us learning content, and AWS certification is most prestigious IT certification to do. Almost everyone is seeking an AWS certification if he or she is related to cloud computing. It is a very reliable and ever growing platform. AWS has an infrastructure services and it has very secured environment. So why we need a cloud? Actually, cloud is used to scale our project. You might have an idea what a cloud computing is. If you have to develop an entire infrastructure, either you host a website or a complex ERP solution. If you have to store them on a physical bare metal server in your data center right in your office, you need some staff workers to manage them, and a huge amount of salary and electricity bills and networking bills has to be paid to them. And if your data has to be scaled up, you need more racks and racks in your data center. It would be hard to every time control that thing. For getting rid of those things, we shifted to cloud. Amazon hosts all the infrastructure, networking, and other parts, and we have to deploy our application and get involved to use the services. As you can see here, these are the few services of Amazon Web Services. These are the facilities and tools that we can use from all the categories: compute, storage, content delivery, database networking, developer tools, management tool, analytics, mobile services like Cognito, which is very popular these days, enterprise applications, and other applications. We can employ them, and we need as a developer or cloud architect or a developer, we have to grasp all the key terms involved here, and which we are going to do, and learn each of them one by one in a better and slow and steady pace. And we are going to master these things at the end of the course. We will cover all the theoretical part and build a practical solution. So this image was of a dashboard, AWS services dashboard, that was previously available, but now it looks like this. A range of product has increased. As you can see in earlier image, there are only 4 services in the compute category: EC2, EC2 Container Services, Elastic Beanstalk, and Lambda. But now it has 6 services: EC2 Lightsail, which is a new service, Elastic Container Service Lambda, and Batch, which is a new service, and other services. Similarly, there has increased services in each category, either be machine learning, analytics, or other things. Database and storage services be the same. In analytics, we get a new service that is QuickSight, Athena. We have AWS Deep Lens, the Pinpoint, and other services. So we will learn each of them later. So thanks for now.